Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of people are interested in. Is making money online legit? There are a lot of scams out there that promise you quick and easy money, but they're all just a waste of time. The truth is, there are no get-rich-quick schemes. If you want to make money online, you're going to have to put in the work. That being said, there are a lot of legitimate ways to make money online. Here are a few examples. Freelance writing or editing. If you have good writing or editing skills, you can find freelance work online. There are a lot of websites that connect freelancers with clients. Blogging. If you have a passion for something, you can start a blog and make money through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. E-commerce. You can also make money by selling products or services online. This can be done through your own website or through a marketplace like Amazon. Online surveys. You can also make some extra money by taking online surveys. However, this is not a way to make a living. So, is making money online legit? Yes, it is, but it's not easy. If you want to make money online, you're going to have to put in the work. But if you're willing to do that, there are a lot of opportunities out there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to make money online. Make real cash from home link in pinned comment.